Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The fireproof armor consists of the Flamebreaker helm, Flamebreaker armor, and Flamebreaker boots. All three pieces can be bought at Ripped and Shredded Armor Shop in Goron City, though a Flamebreaker armor is awarded from completing the Fireproof Lizard Roundup side quest.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes. Completely negates all fire damage. If completely maxed out, it reduces Guardian Beam damage down to 2 hearts instead of the usual 3.5 hearts for all other upgradable armor sets. That's the best of any armor set. 7 March 2018.
Take our lead.
To progress further up, Death Mountain requires level 2 heat resistance, so you will either need to wear one piece of Flamebreaker armor and drink elixirs, or purchase the remainder of the set here. 2 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Though Link can also purchase the armor from the Ripped and Shredded Armor Shop in Goron City for 600 rupees, it is a good idea for Link to receive it through the side quest, as the other 2 pieces of the set are more expensive. The Flamebreaker boots cost 700 rupees while the Flamebreaker helm costs 2000 rupees.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.